Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Alpella. If you're new to my channel, I would like to say a very big welcome to you. This is UPL Teaching and Training Academy. Today we'll be looking at free online courses with certificates. You are not to pay 1 naira for it. I had to do this due to popular demand. I have a lot of students that are saying, Mom, I want to learn things. Mom, I need a skill. So this is for you. What do? Pick the one that you think is best for you. Learn it, become a master, and get a certificate for it and start changing your online space. Please kindly use the link of the website to sign up. So the moment you put the link in the Google search or you click the link and it opens, it will bring you to this platform. You can see it. It's called Allison Empower Yourself. Oh my God. I am so excited bringing this to you, and I know it will change your online world forever. Now, what do you have here? Free online courses with certificates and diplomas. Now, if we scroll down, you're going to see it has 5,000 plus free online courses. You have IT, you have health, you have language, you have business, you have management, you have English, you have personal development, you have sales and marketing, you have engineering and construction, you have teaching and academics, and so on. Then you have the popular courses, you have top diplomas, you have top certificates, you have new courses. And let's keep scrolling down. So here it says, get to know yourself better. So this is for you to take a free personality assessment, for you to find out what is the best for you to study assessment. So you can also get hired for your dream job here. So you can create your professional resume here as well. So over 40 million learners have used Allison to empower themselves. So you can see that it is a platform that is worth you learning and becoming a master in it. It's the best place to learn whatever you are. So the next thing, let's move on. The next one, we're going to go to build your career. So when you click on build your career, it shows you, number one, discover your strengths with Allison Workplace Personality Assessment. Then number two, find your perfect career. Number three, create a job-winning resume. So we're going to be going over to free personality assessment. Understand who you truly are. Very important. But before we do that, as I said, let's just get acquainted with the platform. Okay, take your time, go around, know everything about the platform before you start. The next one is earn on Allison. It's very important that whatever you do on a platform, if they have ways for you to earn, make sure you take advantage of it. The first one says affiliate program. The second one says refer your friends. And the last, teach on Allison. Now, empower your friends and family by sharing free quality education. And look at it, share and earn rewards. Okay? You can teach on Allison, earn money and inspire millions. Become an Allison course creator. Become a member of Allison affiliate program. So let's still go down and we are done. So what do we do? Before we go to sign up, let's go back to build your career. Now, when we go to build your career, let's go to this start your free personality assessment. So we're going to be clicking on personality assessment to check who we are and what is the best course for us here. So understand who you truly are. It says start your free workplace personality assessment. Okay, so we're going to be clicking it. So the first thing it shows us here is empower yourself for free. Sign up, log in. And the sign up says you can use Facebook or you can use Google. Okay, so I will prefer you use your email and create a password. All right, so that's what you'll be doing. Use your email and create a password. Then you click on sign up. Remember, you're new, so you click on sign up. So we're going to be clicking on sign up, and then you put your name, your first name, your surname, your email, and you create a password. And then you click on sign up. So the moment you put in your name, your email, and you create a password, and you click on sign up, it will open up this way for you. So you click on start assessment. When you click on start assessment, it will show you workplace personality assessment. The first question is, others have described me as very creative. So the answer is yes, strongly disagree to strongly agree. So choose the one that is best for you. So others have described me as very creative. Strongly agree. I am known for my punctuality for meetings. So by the time you get to this point, 50%. So keep going and make sure you finish it. So the moment you're through, you're going to view your result. So let's see my result. I got 9. So enroll in these free courses to boost your top strengths. So recommended career paths, education, which is where I am already teaching people, business management, which is where I am helping people, then law and public safety. Oh, I would love this one too. Then finance, I'm already in finance. So this is I've seen what they have suggested for me to do. I'm going to go through it as well. Then the next thing, you come here and you then click on finish your profile. You just click on it and then you fill everything you need to fill here. So when you click it, it shows like this. So the next step is you just click on create your profile and then you fill everything you need to fill. Remember, your Allison profile showcases your professional development, your skills and interests. Use it to make a lasting impression and stand out from the crowd. Very important. Yeah. You can choose to learn 2 days a week. 3 days a week, 5 days a week. It depends on what you would like to. So bring new learners and earn money. So just click on become an affiliate member. So you come here and you click on agree. So these are the terms and conditions. You can read it or go through it. If not, just click it out. So register, invite, and earn. So referral commissions paid out across 100 countries annually. So what makes you a great affiliate? You're active on social media, you love to help others, you enjoy learning at Allison. If yes, just click on become an affiliate. So let's see. So if you just come here, click on this to bring this down, and then you click on accept and continue to your affiliate dashboard with your name. So your affiliate links, track stats, your earnings, your leaderboard, top tips to earn more. So links. So this is it. You just click link and then you share. So we'll just copy this link and then we're going to see how it goes. So I'm going to be putting it in a new tab. Let's see how the link is and let's see how it opens. So if it opens like this, automatically anybody that uses it, when they fill this, they're using the link you provided, and that means they're going to be giving you something to tell you thank you for bringing your friends, your students, your mentees, your business associates, your church members, everyone you know physically and online. Share the link and you make money from it. Finish what you're to do, you just claim your certificate. So this is where you come and you claim your certificate. Okay, this is where you come and you claim your certificate when you're done. There's diploma and there's certificate. Just click here. So what are the benefits? You have a monthly discount, you have a 50% off, and your ads free. You can also still use it like that, it's still okay. Your tree, just go to learn and get certifications. Then you get to this your get recommendation and you start your training. So you just remember, choose how you would like to learn. And you start your training. So congratulations everyone. You have gotten a platform where you can learn courses for free. You can have a certificate for it, and also you can have it as diploma. Then secondly, you can also start sharing your affiliate links. As people come in, they sign up with your link, you'll be making money as well. So if you also come here, you can see create courses on Allison affiliate program. That's the one we just did. Then refer a friend. Let's click on it and see if it's different from. So this one is refer a friend. So let's see how this one works. Start referring a friend. Amazing. So with this one now, you can see your link. Can you see it? All you need to do is just to copy it. You can also share it on your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So for 3 friends complete a course, you get 50% of a digital certificate, 25 friends complete a course, you get 50% off of digital diploma. That's amazing. So you don't need to pay the full, you just get a 50% off. So imagine if you have more than that, you'll be getting a full payment for free due to people using your link. So make sure you take this link, go and share it everywhere. As people click, you'll be getting benefit. And please, everyone, use my link as well to tell me thank you. One more. So we also have um upcoming webinars. You see a way of you earning. So the, the next one is create courses on Allison. So let's click on it and see how it works. It says empower millions with your expertise. So publish a course on Allison, gain an income, grow your audience, and empower the world by sharing your knowledge with 40 million plus learners across 193 plus countries. So republish your existing course. Have you published courses online before? So you can do it here. Become a course creator. Learn how. Become an assisted course creator. So this one you will do it with someone. Then this one you're doing it by yourself on your own. And this one you're just only republishing your courses. For me, take advantage of everything here and make the best out of it. Okay, so you're learning, you're earning. Congratulations, everybody. Remember, kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Thank you guys, and God bless you. Bye bye.